Dahil hindi marunong mag-swimming ngayon, nag-snorkeling na! Hey guys, what's up? It's just Agno and welcome back to another video. And come with me as we do snorkeling. Tama ba presentation ko? Snorkeling or snorkeling? Ayun. So, ayun guys, samahan nyo kami. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Baruan, Agno, Pangasinan. And we just had this motorcycle ride for, I think, almost 30 minutes from, from Burgos, Pangasinan. And we are about to dive sa area where there are reef or yung mga coral, chuchu, whatever. I don't know. And guys, ngayon gagawin namin early morning. Ano kaya makikita natin yun? And samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go! Hi guys! So it's our day 2 ng ano po namin, snorkeling. Are you ready? Yes. Dahil hindi marunong mag-swimming ngayon, nag-snorkeling na! Kasama pa rin natin syempre sila Pastor Louie and Ate Courtney. Another day, another snorkeling.
Nakakita na kayo ng pababa. Dahan-dahan siyang papababa. Hindi, biglang gano'n. Kasi makikita mo naman. Makikita mo naman na
Malalim na.
malalim na.
Yay! We're done.
Yeah. Basta ano po ano nito?
Ayun guys, we're going home. Time check, it's 8:45. Ayun guys, so we're done going snorkeling. It's our day 2. And it's very different this day. Kasi we have seen so much fish. May eel, may crab, may crane, walo-walo, Tagalog. Yeah, we're heading back home na. Yeah, puto-puto tayo mag-English. This is our view on our way home. Kaya thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.